To be sure you never miss a Tech Ninja video, tap on the bell icon right next to subscribe. What's going on, guys? Today we're talking about the Nokia Steel HR and how it's a great heart tracking fitness tracker on the market. There are plenty of products out there that can track your steps, but not every one of them can give you real-time heart data. This video was made in collaboration with Nokia, and I'm Kevin the Tech Ninja, and we're gonna take a look. I know you guys are familiar with other ones out there, you've seen them all over the place, but a lot of them look like fitness trackers or they even look like toys. This one looks like a normal watch, but with this normal looking watch you get smart functionality like steps tracking, you get calories, caller information, you get your text, and most importantly, your heart rate. Heart rate is something that can tell you many things about yourself, like stress level, gym intensity, and also this helps track the quality of sleep too. The Steel HR comes in several different colors and 2 different sizes to help you find the one that fits you best. You can customize the look of the watch on Nokia's website, and you can pick from a leather band to woven to silicone. You can also adjust the case color, face color, and even size. The watch has several different sensors including heart rate, day and night motion sensor, high precision MEMS 3-axis, and low power consumption. Even if the battery dies in 25 days, you have 20 additional days in power saver mode, which still gives you the time and tracks activity only. The Steel HR uses the band on the back and also on the back of the watch to track your heart rate. You can get that information on your screen, but it also feeds into the HealthMate app. You get to it in just a few taps on the side button on the Steel HR, or if you open the app, you have that ability in there too. This tracks your heart almost in real time compared to other ones that may update every 30 seconds to a minute. With the app, you can track your average beats per minute or BPM, and you can also see where your heart had its peak, intensity, moderate, and also light levels. You can go into more detail and see it per hour on this little chart. So if you know you had a good workout at noon, you can actually take a look at it. Or if you know you had a relaxing moment later, you can see how relaxed you really were. This also gives you better insight on your health. Also, if you can crank up your workout just a little bit. Obviously check with your doctor prior, but this is a great way to self-monitor yourself. And your heart rate also plays into your sleep as well. The lower the heart rate, the better your sleeps are. So if you want to figure out why you're not sleeping well, you can go back and check your heart rate. If your heart rate levels are up, odds are your activity is up, you may be tossing and turning, and you can see all that right within the application. So if you're looking for a tracker that can give you up to 25 days of battery life, water resistance, notifications, alarms, a slick app, and also smartphone notifications, then you definitely found the right watch. If you want to know more information, hit my links down below or watch the previous videos, which is linked down below as well. Anyways guys, I'm Kevin the Tech Ninja. Thank you for watching.